The university's invested quite heavily in the School of Architecture. So apart from what you see here, and this space here includes 8 high-end touch screens for up to 6 people to work on at a time, moving things about. There's a dedicated area, in fact just behind you, of postgraduate space, which is for up to 8 postgraduate research students. And then we have another zone called the M Lab, or Masters Lab, which is part of the main architectural computing studio, and that has, I don't know, 10 to 12 machines in it, and an area for students to gather, meet, discuss, and talk about their program. I think one of the things that sets us apart from many of the London schools or city schools of architecture is the campus. The campus is a kind of leafy, green, well-landscaped area with individual buildings dedicated to particular courses and programs. So this building that we're in, the Marlowe building, for instance, has just at the entrance to the School of Architecture has a cafe. There's a foyer, presentation and demonstration area. There's a lecture theatre, the Marlowe Lecture Theatre. There are our 3 architectural studios, one dedicated to computing, one to staff tutoring, and another crit space, which is this one. We have a separate first-year studio. And within our workshops, we've just recently purchased a scanner, a 3D printer, and we have all the usual paraphernalia of laser cutters and model-making equipment, and the people to help assist our students as they go ahead with building their projects and modelling their ideas. Apart from myself, we have 2 other professors, both ladies, who are in charge of our master's program and our research centres. So Professor Gordana Fontana Giusti runs our MA program in Architecture and Cities, and she is also director of our research centre, CREATE, the Centre for Research into European Architecture. Our other professor is Professor Marielena Nicolopoulou. Marielena is a specialist in sustainable design, so she runs our MSc programs. And under them are a range of other PhD students and staff who work directly with our MA and PhD students.